Hi! On this channel, one of the first videos was about C major scale. Now is the time to show you minor scales. My name is Alexander, welcome to this video, and let's start with A minor scale. There are three minor keys variants: natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor. A minor key is parallel key to the C major. That means A minor natural has only white keys, same as the C major, you just start from a different key. First note of the A minor scale is A, and depending on the size of your keyboard, you can start here or here. Then you play the same fingering as on the C major scale. 1, 2, 3, shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shift, 3, 2, 1. If you want to play through 2 octaves, do it like this. After the 4th finger, shift to the 1st, and then repeat the fingering from the beginning. Characteristic of A minor harmonic is that it has G sharp instead of G. That doesn't change fingering, so you play the same way except for that G sharp. A minor melodic has one more sharp note, and that is F sharp. So now we play F sharp and G sharp. The way that melodic scale is played is when you are descending, you lose the sharps and play natural scale. Thank you for watching this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to play A minor scale on the bass side. See you next time.